Hello everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. In this video, I will show you how to make women in Infinite Craft. So without further delay, let's learn the steps. Put earth on the empty space and add wind to it. This will get you dust. Add earth to it and this will get you planet. Put wind on the empty space and add fire to it. This will get you smoke. Add water to it and this will get you fog. Combine planet and fog and this will get you Venus. Next, put water on the empty space, add fire to get steam, add earth to get mud, add Venus to get Adam, add earth to get man. Put Venus on the empty space, add fog to it, this will get you love. Combine man and love and this will get you women. So this is how you can make women in Infinite Craft. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.